That's right, it's -4. So cold. It's so cold. So it's the 20th, is it the 20th? 19th of January. I'm so bad at the days. And it's really cold. So I don't know if this shows up very well on the camera. Lots of the cars are iced up. I would go as far to say as it's probably too cold to snow, and there's not enough moisture in the air. My neighbour's windows are all frozen. My windows are frozen. Bitterly cold. So today's going to be quite a briefer video than usual, I think. I've got some jobs to do that are worth filming, but I've also got a lot of jobs to do that I can't film because it involves filming. So I've got a couple of bike reviews to do, I've got a couple of bike tips videos to do, I've got to make I've just got quite a bit of videoing to do basically. So I'm gonna get into it today. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. We know people are watching the videos, so that would be amazing. And if you have already subscribed and you're one of our new subscribers, welcome to the channel. We love having you here. We hope you're enjoying the content. January is a really funny time in this shop. It's a lot quieter and there's not quite so much to film really. So thank you for sticking with us. As it gets warmer, then I expect we'll have lots more to video to show you. Right, so I need the heating on and I need that kettle on. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so the first job of the day is to fit a chain to this Easy Try Each. I think it's I think it's an Each Easy Try. I could be wrong. Apparently, you can see this very clearly, but life is full of big explosions. Okay. Hang on, gimbal's gone mad. So that's my first job. Let's get into it. This one is done. It's got a new chain on it. All good. Right. I don't know if you noticed our new Well-Tight banner at the back here, sent to us by our friends at Well-Tight. Alongside Talk Nutrition, Selling SMP Electron Profile Design. Right, let's get on with the next one. So the next job is this Land Rover Pro. It's quite an easy job, I think. It's just missing a jockey wheel and various bits and pieces that go with it. So we'll dig up some parts and get that fitted. So the next job is this. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit and you can have a good look. So yeah, so jockey wheel should be sat in here. For some reason it's not. So next job of the day, get this lovely Land Rover Pro sorted out. Right, let's get into it. Job 2 all done. New jockey wheel. Set the brakes up because they were horrible. Yeah, all done. All done. Just need to let the customer know, send them the invoices. So my next job today is to do this CBR Mad Dog, which we had up for sale, but it's not in the greatest condition. We put it up cheap. It's actually probably worth more to us as parts, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to strip this one down, and use it for parts. So right, I'm going to get into it. Quite a nice little haul of parts: 2 derailleurs, pedals, saddle, shifters, grips, brakes, V-brake calipers. What else was there? I think that's everything. I think it's everything that we took off there, and loads of outer cables and a couple of noodles and stuff. So that's that one done. Right, I'm going for lunch. I will see you after I have eaten. So I just had a couple of services come in that I will be tackling next week. So the first one is this Sabre Kinetic Sports, which needs a full service, and then I've got this Pro Bike, I think it's a Pro Bike Vintage, that needs restoring. So I'll get those done early next week, so stay tuned for those two. Right, I have got some work to do this afternoon. I've got some videos that need recording, some bike reviews, and some accessory reviews, that sort of thing. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. Don't forget we're open tomorrow 9 till 5. We've got a sale on, there's 15% off all of our bikes. We will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.